Hi there, welcome to another unboxing video. This time we're looking at Foothills. It's a two-player game from Lookout Games. It's designed by Ben Bateson and Tony Boydell, who also brought us Snowdonia, and rightly so, they call it a Snowdonia experience. It's for two players. It plays out in 30 to 45 minutes. And let's see what's inside. We have a rule book, looks familiar enough. Lots of wooden tokens, plastic bags, cards. I think this is, illustrated by Clemens Franz as well. He should be mentioned, of course. Okay. I wonder if this is supposed to be like this, or if this is maybe an error. Oh. No, I think they're supposed to look like this. You see the line is cut, or the graphics go over so they can be built together. Cool. We also have an bag and tokens. Okay. In a decent 2mm quality, which is good. We like that. Yeah. Great. So that's the content of Foothills. I'm looking forward to playing that. Thanks for watching.